Hello, welcome to Posture Projects. I'm Dr. Will Lawanig here, River Valley Chiropractic. We had a request as far as how to stretch the top of the shoulder. As far as the top of the shoulder goes, we can see that it's comprised of quite a few muscles. So we're going to talk about the trapezius muscle, which is this diamond-shaped muscle here. Trapezius. As far as the top of the shoulder, this is the area where that's in question. Also, if you haven't seen our other video with the levator scapula, that's this muscle in here. Just look into our archives and you'll be able to see how to stretch that particular muscle group. Then there's a supraspinatus muscle, which is one of the rotator cuff muscles here at the top of the shoulder blade, which kind of keeps the shoulder in its socket there. So anyway, we're going to kind of, just a minute here, we're going to show you a quick stretch on how to greatly affect this particular muscle group or the top of the shoulder as requested in our website. So again, a great stretch for this particular muscle group or this particular area of your body, the top of the shoulder, a great stretch for that is to find something to sit on to brace yourself with. I'm on a chiropractic table here, so I'm just going to use this. You can use a bench, you can use a chair, the end of the bed, end of the couch. Basically what you're doing is if you have right side shoulder, top of the shoulder pain, you basically take your right hand, brace it here, and remember you're not pulling or anything like that, you're just bracing it for support. And then you're tilting your head, leaning to the side here to the left, and then tilting your head over to the left. And you can add a little bit of overpressure on this side of your head to get that stretch. And you should feel this whole thing elongate. And then as you stretch, take big deep breaths in and then out. And as you breathe out, you should try to feel that muscle relax, just like that. And each stretch you want to hold for at least 30 seconds to a minute. And this is a great stretch to help alleviate a lot of that tension in the on the top of the shoulder. Folks that are desk athletes, doing a lot of computer work, mousing, that type of thing. You carry a pack on your shoulder, purse if you're a woman, you're carrying your child, in an infant carrier or whatever. Sometimes the top of the shoulder does get really, really tight in there. So this is a great stretch to greatly affect and alleviate a lot of the tension in that particular area. Another great stretch for this is in a door jamb. So if you come on over here, I'm going to use my left hand this time. If you want to come over this way. So I'm going to take my left hand and I'm bracing it here in the door jamb. Or you can use a post, anything that's tall. You can even use a door. But basically you're taking your hand here behind you and bracing it here, stabilizing it, stabilizes the shoulder. And then what you do is you take your opposite hand and then you got basically the same stretch. Instead of holding it here, you're holding it here. And again, 30 seconds to a minute, just like that. And it just opens this entire area up. So again, if you have any questions about any of the stretches, if you have any comments, go ahead and put it in the comments section. If you have any, obviously, questions, or if you want to see stretches, or you have certain problems with certain conditions, just give us a little comment in the section below. We'll be happy to address it for you. Again, thanks for visiting our site, and we'll see you soon.